Lots of lift.
Stop.
Okay, go.
Go.
Mom and Dad love you.
Yeah.
Joe.
You guys.
We love you too. Buddy, please be buddy.
Please be buddy. It's going to give you lots of lift.
I know.
Go.
I'm gonna open it up the rest. It's heavy. It's over right here. Mom, can we put this bow on next year?
Yes, put it in. Joe, your present.
No,
Go.
Joe, get in there.
Yeah.
Pull on it, Jojo.
Oh,
It's,
gosh. Hold it like that. Hold it like that.
no, Aaron,
It.
it's not that much tape, dude.
Okay, just say it.
Aaron, what if you break something doing that? Come on.
Hey, look, there's
Hey.
presents inside.
Okay,
There's
come on.
presents. Oh gosh, whoa.
Dump it out.
There's Disneyland presents. I saw you Disney.
No, it's not Walt Disney.
Oh, I want to keep this.
What does it say?
What is this?
You can't open up.
It says, get dressed in the... I don't know.
Let Abby read it.
Get dressed in the clothes you laid out.
Go get
Get
dressed.
dressed. Hurry, guys. Go get dressed.
What? No. Right here. You can
Go ahead.
Don't rip anything.
Don't. Oh,
Mom! Make your bed.
Don't make your bed.
Come on, Joe.
and they better be nicely. Joseph.
I'm so excited, Mom. Stop. Ow. No, it says brush your teeth and comb your hair.
You have to wait till Dad's out of the bathroom.
Seriously.
After this one.
Aaron,
Calm down, Joe.
go get him, Aaron.
Whoa. What? Before you can open.
Oh, get it out and turn around here.
What? Another
Lay it
present.
down on the floor.
Before you can open your last gift. Open
What?
You're not reading.
Yeah.
Put the box in this other box.
Before you can open your last gift, you must solve the puzzle on your card, but do not shout the answer out loud. Keep it to yourself until you are asked to share. Then, working with each other, put all the clues together and guess what our Christmas gift is this year. Once you have figured it out, then you may open the final gift.
Okay. Okay, go ahead and open that up.
Hey, I want to keep this.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, remember, look at your clue, figure it out, but do not shout out the answer. Because you have to put all your clues together. Joseph, Daddy will help you with your clue.
It says grand.
Come here, Joe. Joe, come here.
How should I know that, Mom?
How can you figure it out?
It says you. I got the computer.
Get on the computer if you need to figure yours out.
Your card.
Who is good?
He is. Goober.
We just call me Goo.
can't open your present yet until all the clues are put together.
Mom, where do I go onto iTunes?
There's a
Or go Google and Google
7:15.
the artist.
25th. That's your clue is 7:15 on December 25th.
Oh, who's the person? See, I got away.
Joseph, it's a clock and a calendar.
It's a date and a time. Yours is a date and a time.
What's
The
your
time
date?
is 7:15.
He's got to figure out his clue.
See,
Did you figure yours out?
it's supposed to be like a word that goes together?
Yeah. It's two pieces that make a word.
No.
I found it out. I like that song. But it's kind of weird. I don't know.
What's the first picture of?
Woods. Trees.
It's a wolf. What does a wolf
No,
live
it's
in?
not the wolf.
I know, it's a wolf. What does a wolf live in?
Cave.
What's another word for a cave?
A tuna.
A burrow?
Yeah, go take yours over.
Mountain?
Don't open it yet.
Where does a bear go into in the winter?
A cave?
Not a cave. What's another word for a cave?
Joe, wait.
Hold on.
What do they do?
Hibernation?
Why do they go to the cave?
What? No, we're
Sleep.
okay. But what's it called? Okay, another room in the house. Is there's a room?
Den.
Okay, den.
And then cold. Bird.
Put it together.
Oh!
Okay, Abby, what you got a clue for?
Denver.
Denver.
Leaving on a jet plane. Tell me what's your clue? I don't know.
15. December 25th. That's today. So what are we doing?
Leaving on a jet plane to Denver.
Yeah.
What are we doing here?
We're going to Denver, Colorado on a jet plane at 7:15 a.m.
We're getting on an airplane.
How are you gonna fly on an airplane this morning?
Don't go ahead, Mom.
Are you?
It's okay. We're at 7:15.
Joe.
7:15.
Joe.
Okay, open up your presents now.
Don't forget.
Open up your presents and see what we're doing.
I know what it is. Yes.
Joe, you wanna fly on an airplane?
I'm scared.
What?
I don't know how
Like that?
I'm here playing or
Oh
not.
God.
Okay, Aaron, it's so much fun.
Oh, yay.
Go.
I've been on airplanes 4 times.
All right, now get that trash picked up.
Okay, just a second.
What if it crashes?
It's not gonna crash. Hey, let's see your hats.
Come on, Joe, put yours up.
I like mine the
I
best.
think it's tape.
I like mine. Medical
Oh.
man. I help pick
Come here,
yours out.
Joe,
It's
let me help
eight.
you.
This text saying
It's
they
not
have Aaron.
taped.
It is? Yes.
Oh, no,
She's
it's
not even
not.
look at it. He goes, medical man.
All right. Come on, guys.